So this is a replica of the Apollo guidance computer. It has a main display interface for data, a series of specialized indicator lights over here, and this is the main keypad. Commands are entered in verb-noun pairs. Verbs describe which action to take, and nouns describe what data to act upon.
To assemble the AGC, we used a laser cutter to cut acrylic frames around each of our components and also used the acrylic to cut out the buttons on the front. Here we have the HDMI display, which uses its own power source and is connected to the Raspberry Pi through an HDMI port. Over here is our LED setup. Each of the LEDs have their own jumper wires and are soldered with two resistors to the proto board, and it features a common ground that is connected to our Raspberry Pi. We also have a proto board set up for all of the buttons that you see on the front. These are also soldered to jumper wires that connect to the GPIO pins on the Raspberry Pi and use a common ground that is also connected to the Raspberry Pi.
We have replicated a number of the original commands from the Apollo missions, including this basic lamp test, which is keyed in as verb 35. We can view the velocity vectors of launch using verb 6 and noun 62. Any verbs not defined by this computer will cause an error. Programs like these can either run their course or be interrupted asynchronously using the two action keys, verb and noun.
Our project also functions as a completely programmable computer that runs Python programs that are designed specifically for our interface. In the next couple clips, you'll see a tic-tac-toe game that you can play yourself, and also a little message to our class.